guys, it's me, Precious Lily. Welcome to my channel. We are here outside. Filming this crazy snow. It's really bad outside. As you guys can see, I live in Chicago and it's crazy out here, so my husband's cleaning the snow, and yeah, so this is how Chicago gets when it's winter, and yeah, so let me show you guys how the street actually looks. My car. It's crazy. And it's not really cold today. No. No está frío. Say hi. So, there goes my husband over there. So yeah guys, winter isn't my favorite season. I don't like it, but I know it's gonna keep snowing and it's gonna get bad, so we'll see how that goes, because I'm not cleaning the snow. My husband always cleans the snow, but I'm gonna try and see if I can help him right now and finish, because we're trying to finish this. It's crazy, super crazy, guys. So let me know how you guys doing, if you live in the on the state that snows. Dile hi to my subscribers for watching you. So, yeah. This is Chicago for you guys. Chicago. You know, this is the snow. Look at those trees. Well, that's not a tree. That's not a tree. That's my mom's rose. Our little trees, roses. My mom's other trees. She loves flowers, so they're basically dead. Snow. My glove. I dropped my glove. So yeah. So basically this is how winter looks in Illinois. And we thought it wasn't going to snow because it started a little late. last night. No, porque se va a ir. Sí se va. No. He wants me to take out my puppy, but I'm not taking her out because then she leaves and then she won't return. So yeah, as I was saying, this is how Illinois looks during winter. Sometimes it gets bad. So now you guys know why I want to move to Florida, because I really want to move to Florida and never come back, but we'll see. So yeah, guys, this is going to be a very, very, very short vlog, since I have to clean the snow. Well, it doesn't look that bad. It looks clean out. On the porch. So yeah. So yeah, guys, this is how my winter looks. It sucks, I know, but yeah, this is how we are used to it. We don't mind. We don't mind. So yeah. So now I'm gonna try and give it a show you guys and introduce the snow to my Spanish speakers. So let's go. Bueno. Así es la nieve en Chicago. Es una locura. It's crazy, I know. It gets bad. Se pone horrible. El porche ya está limpio, según. Está limpio. Y me están limpiando la boca. Mi troca. Todo lo que se ve allá. En estos tiempos se pone súper frío, pero a la gente le gusta. A mí no. A mí no me gusta el invierno, me gusta el verano. So it is what it is. So vamos a enseñar un poquito más lo que es vivir en Chicago. Esto es el rosal de mi mamá. It's dry, se secó. Mira la nieve blanca. Super blanca. Look how the snow looks, guys. It's super white. I don't know how many inches that is, but supposedly there was going to be 10 inches of snow today. Como 10 pulgadas de nieve, creo, dijeron. So, esto es lo que se ve aquí. Mucha nieve. Y según mi esposo está limpiando.
Te voy a tomar la nieve ya. La calle.
Ay, loco. Si están carros manejando. So, así es como se ven los carros. This is crazy, guys. Hola. So, yeah, I won't show my address because we don't need that. But yeah, este es el arbolito de mi mamá. Este es el otro rosal que está allí. aquí es. Así es Chicago, chicos. Chicago, Illinois. ¿Qué pasó? Mi esposo me está hablando. Sí, chicos, aquí les enseñé a Chicago. No esperábamos esta nieve, but it's getting bad, so it's not cold. I'm so surprised it's not cold. Because usually it's cold. Normalmente se pone frío, pero ahora no está frío. Está bonito. ¿Qué está haciendo mi esposo? No sé qué está. A él casi nunca le gusta estar en cámara, pero él piensa que no voy a subir el video en YouTube, pero se lo voy a subir. So yeah, guys, so I want to say thanks for watching and for being part of my crazy life. I will be posting more videos and filming, and yeah, so stay tuned for more awesome videos. And watch my previous video, the night skin routine, and my other videos as well. Bueno, los dejo. Gracias por suscribirse a mi canal, por ver mis videos, y muy pronto los volveré a ver para platicar, y vayan y vean mis nuevos bueno, no son nuevos, pero vayan y vean mi nuevo video. So, muchas gracias y nos vemos para el próximo video. Soy Precious Louie, y si eres nuevo, suscríbete. Well, now it's time for me to go, so I'll see you guys on my next video. Stay tuned for more, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and leave a comment, like, share it with your friends and family, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.